Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eddie, and today I want to go over Self Credit Builder and kind of just do a complete review on it. I've actually been using this service myself to help me with my credit as well, and I use this for all my other clients when it comes to the fact that if they exhausted all their options to helping them boost their credit score, this is a great opportunity and definitely affordable, and this will help you build your credit score and as well as create good payment history. So let's go ahead and move on to this review here and see what you guys think about Self. So Self Credit Builder is a really great way to start building credit, and also basically saves you money, because what it is they take out a loan and they put it in a CD, which is a certificate of deposit in an FDIC-insured bank. Now, once they do this, you start making your monthly payments to them, and they basically go ahead and update this information to the 3 national credit bureaus, and you also get good payment history. So once you finish your term, depending on how much you choose, you will unlock your savings, and you can take out the funds, or you can leave it in the CD, or you could even add more of a term so you can keep paying and building your credit history. And this is such an easy way to get started building your credit, whether you needed to after you repaired it and you're looking for something to boost your credit score. I would recommend Self, and again, I have an account with them as well, so you guys can see that I actually know what I'm talking about and I'm not just saying it to say it. So I do make a $48 payment every month, and this goes and reports it to my account. And then I also have been eligible for the credit card that they offer. So once you made $100 in their payment, they will go ahead and give you an option to take out a credit card. And this is an awesome way to kind of just, feel like everything's coming into place with your credit. And the Self Visa credit card, it is a secured card, and they use your savings progress as your card security deposit. So you don't have to use any of your own funds that you would have to allocate for. So this is a great way to get started building your credit. Now, if you don't want to do that, you can always just stick with the simple CD loan that they take out for you. And let's move on to the pricing as well. So here you're going to have different pricing plans depending on how much you want to save, or depending on how fast you want to get this taken care of. They have the small builder, which is $25 a month, and that's going to be for 2 years, and you're going to earn $520 back estimated. Now we can go on to the medium builder and large builder. I'm on the large builder, which is $48 a month, and you finish your term in 1 year, and you do get back $539. Now, a lot of my clients, for some reason, of course, they do like to go on the higher plan, which is the $150 a month, and it's for 1 year, and you get back around $1,663. So this is definitely a great way to build your credit and also get some money back from your savings. So a good thing about this is, and a lot of people don't know about, is that you don't need any credit history in order to get this account. They will go ahead and trust you and open up with the loan, and they will go ahead and start giving you that credit score that you need. And a lot of people also want to know is, why is it so important to have a good payment history? Well, payment history makes up to 35% of your credit score. And this is really important because it's basically a majority of your credit score. Now, they also are an FDIC-insured bank. They do have trusted security. And other than that, I would say if you do need to start finding a way to build your credit and you've exhausted all your options, Self Credit Builder is a great way to get started. And there's definitely other companies that you can try out, and I can just show you those right now. Now, here's another option if you're looking to increase your credit score, and it has a similar features as Self Credit Builder. It's called Credit Strong. They basically do the exact same thing. You can take out a loan and they put it in a CD or a certificate of deposit, and then you start making payments to them, and they report it to your credit report every single month. The one thing I do like about Credit Strong is they do have the similar plan, but they have it for a business account. So if you're trying to build your business credit using your EIN number, this is a great way to also build your business credit, and you can apply in just a few minutes and do the exact same thing. So I would recommend either Self or Credit Strong if you're looking to build your credit. and you don't want your credit, you have no credit history, or you don't want to affect your inquiries. So other than that, let me know if you guys have any questions, or if you guys want me to review any other credit builders or maybe even credit boost tools that you can use. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys ever wanted to start your own credit repair company, go ahead and click the link below. It's going to be a free training that shows you A through Z how to start your own credit repair business. And this is like an MLM or network marketing company, and it's going to be a legit profitable business where you're going to have to get everything set up on your own and get that taken care of. So if you guys want to learn more about that, go ahead and click the link in the description below as well. See you guys in the next video.